How?
Even while shooting,
How?
there'll
Yeah.
be the most intense scene, cut, and then she'll break into a dance.
What?
Even when she yawns, it's so funny.
Please do that. मूवी देखते समय ये पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि ये बंदा भोला है कि शाना है. And यही वर्ड आ सकता है in a very typical Mumbai manner.
I think both Ali and I are very liberal, पर अभी तो हम मतलब अभी तो she's just started making eye contact. You know? She's still in the goo goo gaga phase and the sounds. You know, in a time of high testosterone action, you need moments of quiet and hugs like this. If we had this only, the world would be better.
Hi, मैं हूँ रंगीली रुचि on Radio Nasha. You know, there are films that you love because उसमें action पसंद आया. There are films you love because उसमें romance बहुत अच्छा था. There are films you love because उसमें drama बहुत अच्छा था. Then there are films that you love because they made you feel something. अब not necessarily feel happy. It's possible कि उसने आपको helpless feel कराया, disgust महसूस कराया, प्यार भी महसूस कराया, गुस्सा भी दिलाया. एक ऐसी फिल्म है which I loved because it made me feel so many emotions. And that is this film, Girls Will Be Girls. And I have the entire team with me. Thank you so much for joining me, all of you.
Thank you.
मैं ना ये आज का interview, we've met so many times, but you know, I'm going to be extremely honest with every single question जो मैं आज यहाँ पर raise करूँगी.
Thank you.
Because मैं बता रही हूँ, it made me feel so many things. हो सकता है कि हर सवाल हम फिल्म के बारे में नहीं भी करें, बट मुझे जो महसूस कराया फिल्म ने उसके बारे में करें.
हमें चलेगा.
है ना? कुछ अलग भी होगा. So first things first, congratulations, three of you. Amazing. It is so relatable and इस फिल्म ने मुझे इतना कुछ महसूस कराया because you know you guys were playing your part so well. आज की तारीख में वही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, between all the drama, action, romance, ठेशुम, ये वो ला ला ला, कोई चीज़ ऐसी बची नहीं है जो कि रियल लगे. ये इतना रियल लग रहा था. एंड मैं बोल रही थी ना, मैं कैमरा पे बताऊंगी एक चीज़. इन ऑल ऑनेस्टी, जब मैं थैंकफुली यू नो हम प्रिविलेज्ड है, हमें पहले देखने को मिल जाता है, बट मैं जब लेके बैठी थी, मेरा कोई इंटेंशन नहीं था कि मैं पूरी देखूंगी. You know, you're busy. I have a daughter. I have whatever was going on. They were all watching Moana or something on television. And you know, I was watching it, and then my husband turned around and told me कि कुछ तो मिल गया है तुम्हें जो तुम छोड़ नहीं रही हो. एंड देन उस रात सब खाना वाना बेटी को खिलाया गया है दूसरों के द्वारा और सुलाया गया है बाय माय हस्बैंड, एंड आई वाज स्टिल बिजी वाचिंग इट. आई हैव टू फिनिश दिस.
Amazing.
That's how much I liked it.
Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you
Yeah.
for saying that. We are
That's
so
my
happy to hear.
honest review.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Also, my mother's name is Anila. My daughter's name is Zenaya.
Oh.
Yeah, I know, right? But this is becoming a monologue. So, Richa, please tell me, how do you feel about this? I'm genuinely telling you that the movie is so good.
I feel happy that so many people have such an honest reaction to the film, and I feel that in a crowded space of like action and thriller and loud noises, there's this like film with quiet love, and that makes people feel emotional and connect deeply with themselves.
Yeah.
और अपने फैमिली के साथ, अपनी मदर के साथ अपना वो रिलेशनशिप एक बार दोबारा नए लेंस से देखेंगे और अपनी ग्रोइंग अप ईयर्स को भी नए लेंस से देखेंगे. तो मुझे लगता है वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यू हैव टू हैव दिस रिलीफ
Yeah.
इन आवर मीडिया स्पेस ऑल्सो, यू नो.
रेडियो नशा, जहाँ पर यू नो आई हेड द कंटेंट एंड आई होस्ट द ब्रेकफास्ट शो, हम पुराने गाने सुनाते हैं लोगों को. थैंक यू. मैं ये सोच रही थी जब मैंने ये फिल्म देखी कि मैं किस तरह से अपने ऑडियंस को बताऊं कि इस फिल्म में आपको क्या मिलेगा. एंड यू नो आई थॉट अबाउट मासूम बिकॉज इस फिल्म में एक पेरेंट और उनके बच्चे की रिलेशनशिप जो है वो इतनी मैच्योरिटी के साथ में दिखाई गई है. मासूम में इवन दो द चाइल्ड वाज रियली यंग, बट उनके रिलेशनशिप में बड़ी मैच्योरिटी थी. So, Ali, please tell me, do you think that there's like a connection between these two films and the story maybe?
मतलब I can't comment on the
complex relationships.
complex relationships. एक but even in those एक मासूमियत को जो हमने पकड़ के रखा है, वो शुचि की, I mean that's her brilliance, right? To be able to then tell the most complex emotions while keeping that innocence alive in Anila's character and Meera and Shri, all of them. और वही मासूम में हुई थी, मतलब मैंने वहाँ से वर्ड ले लिया, लेकिन वो भी कहानी एक बहुत ही इनोसेंट कहानी है।
सही बात
और जहाँ जहाँ और एंड there's a lot of thrill in the story. वो चलती वैसे ही है, मतलब you're constantly thinking अब क्या होगा, अब क्या होगा, अब क्या होगा, अब क्या होगा. It's not just one of those, you know, कि वो आर्ट फिल्म है तो फिर हम बैठे ही रह गए. And I love that about it, that a festival film doesn't have to be just long drawn, you know, 3 hours and
Dull.
Yeah, it's not dull at all.
not at all.
It's a lot of fun.
Actually, जो
It
आपने
is.
कहा ना, कोई शुरू करता है तो वो बीच में नहीं रोक सकता.
So we have very good looking people.
That's true.
Sorry.
बट मुझे एक बात
no,
बताइए,
no,
जैसे
I
ना
mean,
एक
sorry,
चीज जो मैं एक्चुअली अली और केशव fabulously you know played the character which मैं भी सोच रही थी कुछ देर पहले कि मूवी देखते समय ये पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि ये बंदा भोला है कि शाना है. And यही वर्ड आ सकता है इन अ वेरी टिपिकल मुंबईया मैनर. क्या सोच रहा है ये दिमाग में, लड्डू फूट रहे हैं कि इज ही लाइक स्कैर्ड एंड इज ही एक्चुअली प्लेइंग इट. बट यू नो ये हेवी इस चीज के बीच में आई हैव टू आस्क कनी, हाउ आर यू सो गुफी, व्हाट मेक्स यू सो गुफी? आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग, क्या था, एंड शी इज स्टिल गिगलिंग.
That's because of him.
Please tell me the joke. I want to know now, joke है क्या? Joke क्या है भाई? What's the joke?
I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe my talent.
How?
Even while shooting,
How?
there'll
Yeah.
be the most intense scene, cut, and then she'll break into a dance.
What?
Even when she yawns, it's so funny.
Please do that.
Yeah, no, she won't do it now.
Infectious
Right now.
yawn.
No. No, I don't know. I think all of us have all kinds of characters.
But your vibe is so infectious.
Yeah.
Because even you know when I'm talking, I'm like, oh yeah, I should look at her. क्या है? So what's this joke?
She's just found me like a clown.
He's cracking
So bas.
कुछ भी. Okay, Kani, the last scene of the film is so beautiful, and it leaves you with a lot of questions, and also makes you feel very happy about two people finding their relationship, और वो balance वापस आ गया है. कैसा लग रहा था, पहले आपसे जानते हैं, how were you feeling while shooting that scene? Was it like a culmination of the entire thing? Things went south.
We of
and
course shoot not in order. We would
Achha.
love to shoot in order. I think everyone would, every actor would love it.
Yeah.
But but I remember very vividly that scene particularly. Like I was actually with this film. I didn't always, or I don't know if it was part of Shuchi. Somehow I didn't always inquire about what is my co-character or my daughter, or like how they are going to play out or what they're going to do. Mostly I did not know. Like it just was like we're going to discover it while we are shooting. It was also one way of Shuchi doing it.
Does this work better, or having a better knowledge works better? What works?
Depends always on the story and how you are going to tell the story and how the director want that story to be told. All that it depends. I don't have a strict rule of this is how I'm going to work and this is how I'm going to approach. But in this film, Shuchi has made us also play differently. In some takes, she will tell. Of course, from the script we have an understanding, but probably she will tell Preeti that maybe this one you will play like this way, and she will
Yeah.
come and tell me you play this way. So we are also surprised how we are going to behave. So all this was there. So this particular scene, the scene where she's putting oil.
Oil, yeah.
It was very special for me because the way she touched, I don't think that, I don't know if the touch can be captured in camera. I don't know. Maybe it is there because people are
Yeah.
noticing. But for me, I just wanted, I cannot tell that moment. For me, like I felt that I am a mother and I have this daughter and she's really like caring for me and I could feel it. And
Wow.
I was like, this job, this acting can give me this. I mean, I'm not a mother yet, or I don't know if I'll be one, but I felt it, and that was amazing. And that experience only happened. The way she played it, and it was really amazing. And that particular scene was so not rehearsed. So we just discovered it while we kept rolling again. They sometimes change the lens. We didn't even realize. It was just really beautiful experience for me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, Kani,
You are
thanks for being
getting-
so
yeah.
vulnerable. You just made me cry.
Same here, and more so because I am a mother of a 4-year-old. So she's reached that age where she's already asking me a lot of questions. And you know, to watch that film, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं I'm peeping into what it might be like. You know, who knows? But it might be something like this. And I want to be the cool mother that you are. क्या तो वो एक dialogue है where you go to the principal and you say, who comes into my house is my decision.
Yes.
And I so want my mother to watch it.
Yeah.
Because I was in a convent girls' school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a daughter and I'm sure मेरी मम्मी को लगता है I'm still a virgin. I'm sure. But you know, Richa, इसी के बारे में अगर हम बात करें, you are now a mother.
Yes.
कभी आपने सोचा है किस तरह का होगा वो discussion when your daughter comes to you and discusses birds and bees? That's what we call it.
I think both Ali and I are very liberal, पर अभी तो हम मतलब अभी तो she's just started making eye contact. You know? She's still in the goo goo gaga phase.
Aww.
And the sounds.
So you're not an overthinker like me.
No, I'm not an overthinker. I'm actually I live in flow. Everything in my life has been spontaneous. Decision to produce, decision to reproduce.
Aww.
Everything is just, you know, in flow. And I love that. I think we are artists, so it's good to be in tune with that. And when the time comes for birds and bees, we will talk about birds and bees and how bees are very important for the environment.
Yeah.
And so are birds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until then, let's talk about birds and bees, actual ones. But you know, actually, you're talking about your baby and your baby, this film, and the production house. And the way you guys are sitting, no, जैसे हम बैठते हैं ना, as parents, we always keep our child beach में protected. वैसे ही बैठे हैं, नहीं?
नहीं actually पहले Ali और मैं बीच में बैठे थे, फिर the balance of giggles was on one side, so we had to थोड़ा balance it. We were in the middle earlier. We want the focus to be on our beautiful actors.
Oh, very nice. ये जो last scene की लेकिन मैं बात कर रही थी, it of course made all of us feel so many emotions. एक चीज़ और जो मैंने महसूस की ना वो ये थी कि how एक certain ऐसा stage आता है between mother and daughter especially where you need an external factor to reconnect you, rekindle your love and relationship.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you feel like that? Like between me and my mother, I think we stopped talking when I became a teenager. And then somehow बाहर निकलना, घूमना और shopping करना became our thing. That's all that we used to do. 4-5 साल सिर्फ वही किया हमने. And then we became friends again. It's very important to find something that brings you together again.
Yeah, sometimes I think that, yeah, you're right actually.
है ना?
I have it with my mother. Like when she was extremely open-minded, like a great, like care, as cool and like she didn't care. She's like, you do you. Like that's
Yeah.
how she is. But in teenage and sudden it was not a mother-daughter problem. So I used to have all these theories of life and meaning. And I'll be like, this is what I believe. And she's like, yeah, that's okay. That's what you believe. And I'm like, but you don't believe that. And I had this, I wanted her to, also believe that. Or all these theories that I am in awe of and everything. And I used to mostly fail in understanding her entirely at that certain age that I felt. I almost always was understood, I was like, I understand my father, I know exactly what he thinks. And my mother, I felt that I kept thinking that I don't understand her entirely. This was there. And
Yeah.
it could be hormones, I don't even know what it was, but it
It
was
is,
there.
I think, yeah.
And I remember after I'm 22, 23, I just know her. And I'm like, how did I miss her in
I
that?
know,
I don't
right?
know, why should I have to miss her even? Like, it was not required. There was no problem. Like it was not like she was coming in my way, nothing like my other friends had. Like mothers may say that don't do this or don't. My mother was like, you do, you own it, you are responsible for it. You have some issue, you share it with me, we will solve it together. That's how she was. Even then, I'm like looking for, what can I have a fight with her? What? Maybe one thing I'll find. I'm like, I don't like what you wear, I'll say. And she doesn't really wear what you want, I will comment. This color is the, really, I don't know why this color exists in this world. I will fight for, like there is no logic to any of this, but I did all this. And then suddenly now I'm like, what a great mother I have. I don't know what I did to her. Like, why I took this long time to understand her.
Yeah, and
So I don't
feel
know.
the same thing because what a great mother I had. और इतनी परेशानी दी है ना हमने हमारे parents को. See, all these emotions जो मैं बात कर रही थी, this movie made me feel so much more than what the movie was about. Because it took me back to these moments and instances and school life and boys chasing, all of that. बहुत बड़ा था ये सब कुछ. But thank you so much for this. I'm so fixated on the last scene. एक चीज़ मैं ज़रूर पूछूंगी आप लोगों से. When was the last time you remember that you hugged आपके parents को या somebody you love and shared something?
I do it quite often. So
We are all actors and artists ना, तो हम तो ये बहुत करते हैं.
Because बहुत difficult होता है ये. अगर आप
नहीं
सोचें
होना
एक समय के
चाहिए.
बाद में बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. इसीलिए वो मुझे इतना impactful लगा कि just hug
You know, in
करके
a
she was
time
sharing
of
with you.
high testosterone action, you need moments of quiet and hugs like this. If we had this only, the world would be better.
Oh wow.
I'm telling you, this is what we need.
as she said, like for actors, I think I don't know. Like
It's very common.
I recently met a friend of mine. He's not a close friend. He's just he's from theatre. We just met 12 years ago, and I met him again after 12 years ago. And when we hugged, I was like, it feels so great. And I was just sitting, and he just like gave me a time, because they understand, like actors understand, or theatre actors, they understand like tightness, body, and it just like touched me the way I would want it, and I'm like, oh, I miss this, like that kind of understanding. Then you have certain kind of touch, like from your parents, and that can be different. From friends, it can be different. But for me, particularly, this what you're saying, I get mostly from my theatre friends, who I think understand body the best. I feel, I don't know.
Interesting.
Each other.
अली बहुत ज़्यादा ही चुप रहे हैं, फिर भी हंसी आ रही है.
नहीं, अली सोच रहे हैं. I think
आप
अली-
बताइए
his
ना.
mind
I
now.
really want to know this, and we.
Well, I
wrap
mean,
it
I
up.
just when I hug her,
Oh.
because
Actually,
I think
my moment was also with you only in my pregnancy. Remember, we met and it was very close to the delivery, and we were watching something funny, and I was laughing, and then suddenly I started crying, and I was like, oh my God, there was so much emotion pent up.
But it's a rhythm thing, like you were saying, no, something connects, and that's important from time to time. You
it's
need to do that.
important.
How nice. Thank you so much for this lovely chat, and thank you so much for this lovely film.
Thank
I can't wait for everybody to watch it. मैंने जितनी तारीफ की है, लोग देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा उन्हें कि कितनी ज़रूरत थी हमें ये फिल्म देखने की. Also एक कुछ तो शायद हम लोड लेके चल रहे हैं, और वो ऐसा लगा कि अरे छोड़ दिया ये मूवी देख करके, या ऐसा भी लगा कि बाकी लोगों ने भी यही चीज़ झेली है, so that's okay. But it was amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Radio Nasha.